If you are selling your home and the open house plan is basically put up the sign, unlock the door, and hope someone show up, you are leaving money on the table. You are not just listing a home, you are trying to get the best price in the shortest time with the least stress. A great open house is not luck. This is a strategy to create buzz, attract serious buyers, and put you under control of the negotiation. I'm Kim Nguyen from Halona Realty. We treat an open house like a well-planned event designed to benefit you, the seller. And here is how we do it. We study your home before we market it. Before announcing the open house, we spend real time in your home to understand what makes it special, the hidden gems buyer will fall in love with. We focus on real conversations, no robotic sales pitch, just honest conversations buyer can trust. When buyer trust the experience, they feel comfortable making stronger offers. We bring real market data. When buyer asks questions about price, we back it up with solid market comps. That credibility protects you from lowball offers. The open house actually starts days earlier. We promote your home through social media, email marketing, and neighborhood outreach before the event even begins. Live stream reviews create early interest. Going live before the open house, let buyers explore the home online first. When they arrive, they are already emotionally connected. Next, small touches create lasting impression. Simple things like feature seats, water, and helpful information make buyers remember your home, not just another stop on their weekend tour. Next, I would say we involve the neighborhood. The neighbor often knows someone looking to move nearby. A quick conversation can turn them into a powerful word-of-mouth marketing. Strong signage bring in real traffic. Clear signage makes sure buyers actually find your home. Visibility means more visitors and more potential offers. Professional system capture real lead. We use digital sign-ins so every visitor become a real lead we can follow up with. Thoughtful follow-up turn into interest, into offer as well after that. Within 24 hours, we follow up with visitor, not pushy, just professional, keeping your home fresh in their mind. An open house should never be about luck. It should be about strategy, preparation, and create real buyer competition. That is how we help sellers sell faster and offer the better price at Halona Realty. If you are thinking about selling and want a smarter strategy, let's talk. Comment below, send me a DM, or visit halonarealty.com.